Chapter 1. Introductions to starting a home-based recruitment business. Before we get into the nuts and bolts of how you can make money, I'd like to start with a brief overview of the recruitment industry and why it is still an extremely good industry to start a business. Over the last decade or so, the recruitment industry has been one of the fastest growing sectors in the UK, doubling every 5 years or so, and is still one of the only few industries that requires very little investment, can be run on a shoestring budget, and can equally yield tremendous financial results in a very short period of time. In addition to this, the industry continues to grow despite periods of economic turmoil. So there is still an ever-increasing demand for this service across a wide range of specialist markets. Employers are seeking a more cost-effective service from a recruitment company. Employers are looking to save money. Therefore, if you can offer a service that is on par with existing recruitment agencies, but at a more competitive rate, then clients will be keen to use your company. Therefore, your timing is perfect to start your own recruitment business and earn yourself a piece of a very lucrative pie. For more and more people, starting their own business is becoming a legitimate career choice. Gone are the days when you had to have years of business experience under your belt or stacks of cash in the bank before you might even consider taking a plunge with a startup of your own. Nowadays, anyone with the right motivation can follow our recruitment startup business model that will enable you to earn more money, have a better quality of life, working from the comfort of your own home. The billionaire and very astute business entrepreneur Warren Buffett once said, "Risk in business comes from not knowing what you are doing." This step-by-step recruitment startup business and training DVD program is designed to help you to minimise the risk associated with starting a business and to help you to quickly and easily learn the skills needed to make permanent placements and start generating immediate income from your business. RSU Services is the only company in the UK providing this unique DVD training and consultancy business model, showing you exactly how to set up and run a recruitment business literally from scratch. You'll find the DVD program along with the training manuals and online support a very comprehensive startup guide covering all aspects of setting up and running a successful recruitment business. The program covers important legal considerations, marketing strategies, scheduling your daily activities, time management, how to successfully compete against established recruitment agencies, and much, much more. You'll be shown how to deal with a whole range of recruitment activities, from sourcing vacancies right through to finding the perfect candidate for the job. Using this DVD program is an extremely cost-effective way of starting your business with minimal investment and a potential for generating huge sums of revenue. The overall objective of this DVD and training program is to provide you with the knowledge, skills and tools you need to ensure your business generates income within a few short weeks. Experience month-on-month growth with high profit margins and good cash flow from delivering a high-quality recruitment service. Previous experience of the recruitment industry or business in general is not essential, as you'll learn how simple and easy it is to take vacancies and source suitable candidates for these positions. And this is what makes the recruitment industry so fascinating. Literally anyone with the right training, guidance and motivation can get started setting up and running their own recruitment business. It doesn't matter age, educational background or any other factors. We have helped hundreds of people from all walks of life to set up their own recruitment business. Your Recruitment Startup Business Program, Business Pack and Consultancy Service has been professionally produced to be the most comprehensive recruitment startup training program available based on 3 decades of recruitment experience. The program carefully explains every step of working with candidates and clients through to making placements and generating repeat business. The Recruitment Startup DVD, training manuals, documents and business development online training covers a wide range of topics to fit nearly every scenario you will encounter in running your business. The program will go through how to target recession-proof business and how to maintain good relations with your clients. In addition to this, you'll also receive an online training course covering all aspects of the recruitment business, plus regular updates on any legislation changes or important issues that you need to be aware of for your business. If you turn to Appendix 1 of your PDF training manual, you will find an in-depth listing all the essential paperwork included in your business pack. The information in this training program has been approached from 30 years personal experience of working in the recruitment industry, starting from the late 70s through to the recession of the late 80s, early 90s, and then moving on to the longest period of uninterrupted economic growth lasting for almost 2 decades, followed by the challenging times we live in today. Since the majority of the individuals I have personally helped to set up their business have had no experience whatsoever of the recruitment industry, the information will be presented on the basis that you have had no previous sales or recruitment experience. The Business Startup Programme has purposely been designed for the new entrepreneurs, the first-time business owner. If you have experience working as a recruitment consultant, some of the material may seem elementary. However, I can guarantee you that you will find the business development techniques both innovative and informative. As each new business startup will have their specialist markets, your recruitment business will be unique to you. Give yourself the best chance of success and start by going through the Getting You Started section of your training manual. This will walk you through the fundamentals of building a successful recruitment business. Success will come quicker if you follow the guidelines in this RSU Services Business Programme and set aside a number of hours per day to work your business. You'll also need to schedule regular time slots to implement the various business development strategies for growing your business. What is important now is to familiarise yourself with the information contained in your training manual and the various additional resource material provided. Speed is of the essence. You must create momentum. Set yourself a minimum target of business development activities per day and stick to it. The only ingredients that you need to add to be successful are your time and commitment. If you give your recruitment business sufficient time and commitment, you will achieve three things that really go together. You'll have fun, you'll benefit others, and you will earn a substantial income.